children, welcome to cial Zonal English channel. I am Mrs. Rachita Sammani Pereira from Dankoto Balika Mahavidyalaya. This is grade 9 lesson. So here I thought of doing pronouncing. English pronunciation is very important part when it comes to English lessons. So sounds. So I selected in competency level 1.3 there are two sounds, sh and f sounds. So sh, this is the symbol of sh sound, official, partial, commercial, traditional, controversial. Everybody please look here. cial, it is sh. tial, it is sh. Again cial, it gives sh sound. tion also gives sh sound. sial gives sh sound. Though the spellings are the same, but the spellings differ. So we'll see in detail, we can see what will happen to these sh and sh sounds. So when it comes to f sound, ph gives f sound. At the same time, f gives f sound. And also gh gives f sound. Face, face. Enough, photograph. Okay, let's see the difference between shall, and shall. Okay, you can hear the shall or each and every shall as the same, but here, look at here children, the spellings differ. All these are suffixes and all of them give the same sound when they are pronounced, though they have different spellings. Okay, suffixes. Suffixes are the letters that we add into the end of the words. Okay. cial in words. We'll see official, facial, racial, artificial, crucial, judicial, special, beneficial, glacial, superficial. tial in words. Residential, presidential, martial, partial, credential, potential, essential, substantial, influential, confidential. Both these cial and tial gives the same sound, but the meanings and the spellings differ. We'll see how this happens. Okay, we'll see. cial comes after a vowel. Okay, facial, here it is a vowel. A is a vowel. You can see the vowels here. A, E, I, O, U. They are the vowels. So cial comes after a vowel. Okay, A, cial, A, cial, special, E is a vowel. After E we have to add cial. We can't write tial here. Okay, if we write tial here, the word is a wrong one. Beneficial, I is a vowel, so that's cial. Crucial, U is a vowel, so cial. Social, as O is a vowel, we just write cial here. And tial comes after a consonant. All these 5 letters are vowel. Other than these letters, other words are called consonants. So after consonant, we just write tial. Residential, N is a consonant. Here N is a consonant. Here R is a consonant. R is a consonant, so that we just write tial. Okay, it is the same here in these two words as well. So go through the patterns. Okay, in each and every concepts and each and every techniques there are some exceptions. In English also it is the same. So these are the exceptions. Commercial. Here R is a consonant, but we just write cial here. It is somewhat confusing, but you just have to memorize these words, Kutala. Financial. N is a consonant, but we just write this as cial. Provincial. It is also cial. Initial. I is a vowel, but we have to write tial because it is the mechanic. It is the thing in English. So spatial. A is a vowel, but we write it as tial. Controversial. The word controversial contradicts all the rules because it is spelled with an S. Here not C-O-T. It is an S. Controversial. Okay, we write the word controversial as like this. Okay. So go through these exceptions. So you have to memorize these words. There is a small activity for you all. Fill in the blanks with cial, tial, sial. Just go through the techniques that I introduced and you have to write either cial, tial, or sial here in these words. Okay, that is the activity that you have to do. Answers are, these are the answers. As O is a vowel, we just write cial. A is a vowel, cial. N is a consonant, tial. N is a consonant, tial. Again N is a consonant, so tial. Again it is the same. I is a vowel, cial. Okay. I is a vowel, tial. So here if it is a vowel, we just have to write cial. This is also an exception. Initial. We write initial as this way. Essential. N is a consonant. It's okay. You just write tial. N is a consonant, but here we have to write cial. It is also an exception. Okay. R, this is also an exception. R is a consonant, but we write cial. This is okay. I is a vowel, so cial. N is a consonant, tial. A is a vowel, cial. N is a consonant, they are okay. Here they are okay. Potential, special, substantial, artificial, judicial. They follow the pattern, no? Martial, controversial. So it contradicts. I mentioned that. No, here it is S. Influential, partial. Okay. These are the answers for that activity. Okay. We just learned shall. Okay. Now shun, shun, shun. The same sound but with different spellings. Here tion gives the same sound. cian and sion gives the same sound. There are three ways of spelling the shun sound. This is how we call tion. tion, cian and sion. The most common way is tion. It is often used when the words end in T or TE. It is very easy. If the word ends in T or TE, we just add tion. Invent becomes invention. Inject become injection. Hesitate here TE. So hesitation. It is an easy task. Okay. cian is often used when the root word, we call this the root word. Okay, this is the root word. When we add suffix into that, it is the word that we prepare. The root word ends in COCS. Okay, if the word ends in COCS, we have to add CIAN. When a word describes an occupation, it is spelled with CIN. This is an important fact. When a word describes an occupation, if it is an occupation, we have to spell it with CIN. I work in politics. I am a politician. I work in music. They are occupations. I am a musician. I work with electrics. I am an electrician. So with these occupations we have to write cian. Keep this in your mind. sion comes after l, r, d, se and s. See, compulsion. After L, sion. After R, sion, version. After S, sion, mission. Expands, expansion, se here, se, expansion. Extend, d, extension. Tense, se, tension. These are the ways that we add tion, cian and sion. Okay, now you have to fill in the blanks with tion, cian or sion. Okay, you have to make the choices. Okay, according to the given patterns. Now these are the answers. So go through the answers. Just do the activities on your own and just check your answers. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. F, fur, fur, and this also gives fur sound. Here, fan, fill, refuge, prefer, refer, comfort, family, infant. F, letter F gives fur sound, and letter PH also, P and H also give fur sound. Geography, elephant, graphic, pharmacy, alphabet, symphony, phonic, metaphor, paragraph. GH also gives fur sound. Enough, cough, laugh, soft, rough, tough, trough. Okay, they give fur sound. F, PH and GH. Let's see how this happens. The letter F is not allowed in long words. If the word is long, F appears as PH. We can't write in long words, we can't find F. If the word is too long, F appears as PH. The letter GH also give fur sound. PH is normally followed by a vowel. It is easy. It is a trick. PH is followed by a vowel. Photo, phonic, graph. Here PH. After PH there is a vowel. After PH there is a vowel. Before PH there is a vowel. Okay, these are the tricks. Here fur sounds. Photograph, filter, I have given you by mixing up the words. Photograph, filter, fence, F, PH and GH. Both these three give fur sound. Photograph, filter. If there are more than 2 syllables, phenomena, so it is PH. If the word is too small, we can write F, fair, fantasy. 1 syllable, no? Fear, affair, like this. Paragraph, 3 syllables there, nephew. Okay, so if the letter is too long, we have to write PH. So you just go through these sentences and complete the blanks with F, double F, GH or PH. Okay, thank you for participating in my lessons. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.